Key vote to potentially change the threshold by which Ohioans can change the state's constitution could happen today. The clock ticking for lawmakers to vote as a measure must be passed by midnight, according to the Secretary of State, in order to be placed on the August ballot. 10 TV News reporter Kevin Landers is live at the State House. He has a look at all of this. Kevin, there's also a protest scheduled this afternoon against this resolution.
That's exactly right. Pro-choice supporters plan to gather at this church behind me, which is directly across the street from the State House. They are against this proposed change that would increase the threshold to amend the Constitution. Now, the Ohio House, is scheduled to meet at 2 o'clock today and is divided. Republican Party will attempt to bring a vote to the floor. They have until midnight to do it. This issue is more than just changing the Constitution. It would also impact things like gun control. Gun groups are involved because they fear constitutional amendment on gun control. Abortion rights advocates are already gathering signatures to put abortion access on the November ballot. And there's also the issue of raising the state's minimum wage. All of it ties to the state constitution. The measure would require future state constitutional amendments to get approval from 60% of state voters in order to pass, compared to the current 50% plus one vote threshold that's been in place for over a century. It's opposed by every prior Ohio governor. I asked Governor Mike DeWine about that.
You know, they're entitled to say what they want to say. I'm waiting, like everyone else is, to see what the legislature does. I assume we're going to know in the next couple of days.
What do you know about the vote? And do they need 59 or 60? Do you know that? Not going there?
No, not going there.
Now, the Ohio House is scheduled to convene at 2 o'clock this afternoon here at the State House. When that vote will happen, we're not sure, but the Secretary of State is telling us it must be done by midnight in order for it to make the August ballot. Reporting live at the State House, Kevin Landers, 10 TV News.